Hello Hot Wheel dudes and dudettes, this is Gandalf236Cat coming at you with another video. We'll be taking a look at this Hummer H1 from Johnny Lightning. This is a really nice vehicle. The detail on here is pretty amazing. Back there, really nice. Front looks really good. Pretty nice. Anyways, it's metal top, metal base, rubber tires. It's just a really nice model. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe. Bye for now.